Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to connect Tumblr to Facebook. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to unmine it? First of all, open your Facebook profile, then click on edit profile and scroll down to the bottom. Click on edit your about information. Scroll down and click on contact and basic information. And here you will get these websites and social links section. So click on edit and click on add a social link and click here, and from here you have to select Tumblr. Here is Tumblr. After that, here you have to put your Tumblr account username. So I'm pasting my username here. Now click on save. And now if I go back to my Facebook profile, and here we can see my Tumblr account has been connected now with my Facebook. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmine it. Thanks for watching this video.